Hey, on a day when I should be in there, I'm walking in the opposite direction. I'm going into Stourbridge, and the reason I'm going into Stourbridge isn't to go into Stourbridge, it's to go and see what's going on at the bonded warehouse. So the bonded warehouse is an old canal wharf building. There's a gathering of narrowboats. Let's go and have a look. And I've just been told by someone that it's their open weekend. So it's the bonded warehouse open weekend, 15th, 16th of October. Morning. So I've not walked far and here's the first boat. And I suppose some people would say that I've started the wrong end because the glass centre's that way and town centre's that way, but this for me is the journey, isn't it? This is my journey. It's great to see the boats from this angle. Look at the stash of wood hidden underneath the solar panels all the way down. There's a lovely stash of wood underneath it. Brilliant. Well, that stands out, doesn't it? Panels are huge. That looks really nice. Wow, look at that. Formerly an icebreaker tug. I mean, that's a strange shape, but it's lovely. Well, looks absolutely brand new. Beautiful. I love this touch that narrowboats are doing now, which is doors behind the doors. Looks great, doesn't it? Brilliant. Very good. So that's the direction I've just come in. On this lovely beach. And that's where we're heading. This looks good. I love the way the panels are all riveted together. Looks great, doesn't it? How cool. This is nice. I think I've seen some of these before. This sounds great. But what does it for me is the fact there's a nice panel in the roof to remove the engine if they need to remove the engine, which is always a good thing. And then there's Jemima, who's got steel hull by the looks of it and nice wooden top, which is great.
Why don't you come on over there?
She should be down here. She's down here.
You can't.
There you go, just in case you weren't sure whose boat it was. New builds going on, sign of the gentrification hitting Stourbridge. So there you go. That's about it. There's a couple more down here. But isn't it lovely? It's nice to just get out and have a look around and see what people are doing. Enjoy the outdoors a bit. Right, thanks for watching. See you next time. And if you've got this far, please consider subscribing. It helps the channel so much, it makes such a difference. And YouTube just absolutely love it. So hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you'll get all the videos. And if you don't like one, just swipe it away.